Welcome. If you're looking to hide your past experience on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. With LinkedIn's latest update, the process is more straightforward than ever. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can control exactly what shows up on your public profile. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select View Profile. This will take you to your main profile page, where all your information is displayed. Now, focus your attention on the right side of the page. You'll notice a section labeled Public Profile and URL. Next to this section is a small pencil or edit icon. Click on it to enter the editing mode for your public profile settings. A new page will open, showing all the details that are visible to people who aren't connected with you on LinkedIn. Scroll down until you find the section for past experience. Here, you'll see a toggle switch or checkbox that lets you control the visibility of your previous roles. To hide your past experience from your public profile, simply disable this option. Once you turn it off, your previous jobs and roles will no longer be visible to anyone who isn't directly connected with you. This gives you more privacy and control over the information you share with the outside world. After you've made your changes, LinkedIn automatically saves your preferences. You can double-check by viewing your public profile as someone else would see it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. See you in the next video.